let me first tell you about the Black Friday sale of TradingView. So these are very good deals. Essential, $120 for 13 months. You save $53, and there's the premium 70% off. $217 for 13 months. You save $500. So this is the one I got, and I always renew at Black Friday. I save a bundle. I have an affiliate link in the description below, so you can go and click on that, and then you can go on TradingView. So let's take a look at what Tesla did today. So we are down $6.99, 2.9%, closed at $234.28. Post-market, we are down by 36 cents. So yeah, we are still above 226.85. Yesterday, we had broken 238.11. Now we are coming back into it. So now we are starting to see that the congestion zone is not between 238.11 and 226.85 because we kept breaking 238. It cannot be the congestion zone. So it was an important number in the past. It was also important, I would say, until this week, but now it's starting to be inconsequential. So we need to adjust things when things change. And if we look in the past right here, we see that 242.94, we had some support in the past right there. And basically, this is where we are having a hard time breaking. So the sellers are just a little bit higher than 238.11. They are at 242.94. So I will put a little bit less emphasis on 238.11 because we need to fit. Our lines are guided by the behavior of the tug of war between the buyers and sellers. So we need to be able to adjust this. In terms of indicators, nothing has changed, and we have the MI. I did not do it yesterday, but we have the MI that is green with that one. Apparently, Elon has made some comments on X that could be interpreted as anti-Semitic. It seems like a bunch of people that are investors in Tesla are having a hard time with Elon's comments on X. So I did not get into it. It seems like this is what is causing a little bit of the pull down that we are having. Let's take a look at some other Tesla news. Tesla fully open sourced the original roadster design and engineering, releasing R&D docs. So this is really interesting. I'm going to take a look at this. Tesla is ahead of other automakers, so they don't mind releasing something that old. Also, Tesla has started discounting new vehicles by $3,000 in end of quarter push. This is pretty incredible, to say the least. It's great for people that don't have any Teslas, but it's pretty bad for people that have them. Tesla, of course, is trying to achieve a new record level of deliveries in Q4 in order to achieve its annual guidance of 1.8 million deliveries. So it seems like they really want to achieve that milestone. Let's now take a look at the VIX. So VIX is continuing down. Stock market should be going up. We are down 12.86, 3.6%. So this is pretty incredible. In terms of the bonds, they are pretty much at a standstill. US dollar bumping up a little bit. Let's take a look at our EV stocks. So Rivian, nothing to see here. We are just going sideways in a downward trend. XPeng pretty much sideways from yesterday. So we are caving in a little bit into our bullish channel. This is what is to be expected. We should be zigzagging, and we are coming down a little bit. So what counts is that we should be bouncing on that support. NIO, a little bit of a down day, but not too bad. Apple continuing up a little bit, up 0.35%. This is following the bullish channel perfectly. And we like when stocks continue on our lines. ARM is moving up. So we had broken yesterday 56.78. So the main congestion zone. This is the main congestion zone. And it stopped right under another one right here, 58.78. And this happened 2 days ago. And yesterday we had a confirmation of this move right here. And this confirmation stopped at the same place at 58.78. This was really telling us that 58.78 is very important because we have now 2 candles that it stopped. And now we are moving further. This is really a very clear buy signal. Of course, things are going high quite fast. So, of course, we could be expecting a little bit of a move down. But This is the channel right here. As long as we are maintaining ourselves within the channel, everything should be okay. But in the short term, you need to know that you can be losing money on paper while we pull back down and bounce back on that channel. And if it continues straight up, then you won't have to worry about that. But in terms of indicators, everything is super great. Apparently, the reason for this move up in part is that Wells Fargo launches coverage for the stock with an overweight rating. And it has rated the stock value at $70. Maybe this is why this is going up. Palantir, this is so funny. We came just right above 20.45 for one candle. Then we came back. We have too much sellers. We broke it. And then the sellers said, okay, this is our chance. We are bringing this one down. And they have succeeded. We need the buyers to build up some strength a little bit to have a definite move above. NVIDIA, the same thing. NVIDIA, we came right to the resistance at 503.06 and we are caving down. This is what a resistance should do. A resistance should be preventing a stock from moving higher because this is a point where we have a bunch of sellers, many sellers. Let's look at our indices. So indices continuing up. So Dow Jones is up 0.53%. S&P 500 continuing up too. Physical gold maintaining itself quite well. Nothing new here. Silver caving in a little bit. So we came very close to the bullish channel resistance and now we are coming down a little bit. Bitcoin, nice move up. So we are up 5%, but basically we are in a congestion zone. It is very clear to see. This is the upper value and this is the lower value right here. Ripple, okay, Ripple, I like to see this. We have our bullish channel support and it seems like we want to bounce above just a little bit ahead of that support. And the Vermont Graphite is holding quite well. Again, this is a great case study. We don't need stochastic over 60 in order to hold the support, but we need it when we want to have a move up. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.